guys, welcome back. So today is supposed to be a Boxycharm unboxing. This is my Boxycharm, y'all. You see that? And it doesn't feel so safe, secure, or Boxycharm-like. So let's see what the hell is going on in this package with my giant knife. I cut off the thumb and also this Boxycharm label because I feel like if the entire box is missing, something else is going to be missing as well. Let's just see though. I could be wrong. Excuse my crazy look today. It is frigid fucking cold outside and it's raining. So, you know, we have like crazy damn hair here today. And yeah, that's it. So here's the inside. Show you this is what's going on. Yeah, I'm missing shit out of my box. So, here's my card, Afterglow. I have version 3. So we'll just start pulling things out of here. Let me get rid of this. We have 4 items in our box. I'm missing the primer. Of course it's the primer. So the first thing that we have is this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan 126 Glow Up. And it looks like this. Give it a little swatchy and it barely shows up on my skin. There's a little bit of a shimmer, so it might work for a natural glow or something. I like the packaging of this, but the highlighter, it's very subtle. Very subtle. So we'll see what we can do with that. That is supposed to retail at $32. The next thing we have here is filthy as hell. It has dirt all over it. At least the seal is still on though. I'm in just like bitch mode, I suppose, because this is the 3rd month in a row that my Boxycharm has been fucked up. So I'm glad that I pay for this, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel. I have subscribed in bulk, so I will get a few more boxes, but I'm kind of done at this point. Like, I'm done. This is a Clean Bee cleanser from Pharmacy. This retails at $22, and I can tell you I don't like this. I have tried this in samples. I don't like it. But my daughter probably will. It's really good for sensitive skin, but I just don't like it for myself. The next thing we have is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. We've all seen this. Here's my problem with this. It's a decent mascara. I have both versions, the waterproof and this one that I bought myself. This shit comes in a box. Why isn't this in a box, Boxycharm? Like, why do I not get packaging, original packaging? Why is this coming not in the original packaging? That's what I want to know. How do I know somebody didn't already open this and use it? There's no way to tell on a mascara. So I'm getting a little fed up with stuff like that. Like, where's the packaging? I don't know. I'm in a mood, and it has like something all over the top of the lid. Whatever, I'm just putting it down now. Okay. The last thing we got is this Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon in English Rose. I've seen a lot of people got this. So it's kind of a flat crayon tip like that. It's magnetic. And on the bottom is a baby pink like lip balm type primer. There's not much in there. This retails for $25, they say. So that's what's in my busted ass Boxycharm this month. Let me know if you got all your products, if you've had the same issues, kind of like getting broken things, missing things, anything like that. I would definitely be interested to know. I want to kind of know what the hell is going on over at Boxycharm anymore. Like, this may have been an issue from the post office, but normally when the post office like breaks something or screws it up, or, you know, destroys a package, you get an envelope with like basically the return label that says, sorry, this is all we were able to locate, or contact your shipper and maybe they can make this right, in a little Ziploc bag. They don't normally rebox it minus a product and continue to deliver it to you. Doesn't normally happen. Anyways, that is what I came home to today. So happy Monday, everybody. Anyways, yeah, hopefully my next video will be better for you. I have something good planned, a much requested video. So I'm gonna get to working on that. Just honestly, y'all, I just haven't been in the mood, so just have a lot of other things on my mind and just kind of finding my peace and my happiness, and when I'm happy to film about something, I film about it. And I always try to get up these unboxings for Boxycharm and my Yes Oh Yes, things like that, things that I get on a regular basis because I know people love to watch those, so they're here. I'm sorry this one was so negative, but I'd like for y'all to sound off in the comments below and let me know kind of what you're thinking, where you're at. Am I overreacting? Y'all have seen my last couple unboxings, so let me know if I'm overreacting, or maybe this is just like after you've been with them for a year, like service gets shitty. I don't know. Anyways, peace out, y'all. I'm out of here, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.